In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your gender in Stardew Valley. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As of version 1.5, you are able to change your gender freely. Not only will you be able to customize your gender, but you will also be able to change your name, your favorite thing, and stuff related to your appearance, so your eye color, skin, hair, and accessory. So, to do this and customize your character, you will have to go over to the Wizard Tower. So, by going over to the Wizard Tower, you will, of course, encounter the Wizard. By talking to the Wizard NPC, eventually you will be able to earn more hearts, and once you reach 4 hearts, you will gain access to the basement of the Wizard's Tower. This is important because if you go over to the basement of the Wizard's Tower, you will be able to find the Shrine of Illusions. And as you might expect, this is where you will be able to customize your character. It costs 500 gold, so you can offer 500 gold to the shrine, and this will allow you to change everything that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, so the appearance, name, favorite thing, and gender. The wizard's basement will become accessible from a trapdoor in his house when you have at least 4 hearts with him. It can also be accessed through a red portal in the witch's hut as soon as the witch hut is accessible. So all that you have to do if you want to change it inside of the game is make sure that you are playing at least version 1.5 or any of the newer versions and get 4 hearts with the wizard at the wizard's tower. After this, go down into his basement, you will find the Shrine of Illusions, and by offering 500 gold, you will be able to customize your character again. Now, if you are playing another version, or you don't want to go through the trouble of getting 4 hearts with the wizard, then sadly there is no way to do it inside of the game. You would have to modify your character files and change the gender from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your gender in Stardew Valley. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.